Hi, I'm Peter of HMO on Steroids, and today we're visiting one of our investors' HMOs. We worked with Martin and we bought this HMO approximately 3 months ago. Went through the legal process and purchased the property. 10% below market value by negotiating hard on the price, obviously knowing the area extremely well. The refurbishment's finished to very high standards, I hope you agree. We massive belief in looking after the tenants, and the tenants will look after the landlord and the investor. All the rooms I've rented out in this 6-bedroom HMO within 3 weeks, I'm pleased to say, creating an income of over £30,000 per year. So great purchase price, value added to the property with the refurbishment, a great yield and over £30,000 income a year, and all the rooms rented out within literally 3 weeks. So I'm just standing in the kitchen and breakfast room. Just behind me is the garden. On this specific property we split the garden in two because it was big enough, and we gave a unique benefit, USP to a room where it's actually got its own back garden, which helped us achieve £600 comfortably per month for that room. As I said before, we look after the tenants, they look after us. We incentivise them. If they recommend another quality tenant to us, then we'll give them £50 cash for saying thank you for doing so. And we have a cleaner and a gardener that helps maintain the communal areas, just so the tenants can enjoy their stay with us. I'm going to show you one of my favourite rooms, so if you follow me. This is actually called the Ascot room. We theme a lot of our rooms. And we've got our last tenant moving into this room on Monday. As you can see, it's more of a suite. We try and make the most of every room and get as much in as we can. Good quality furniture, desks, sofas, and a living space as well if the room is big enough. Digital televisions, so a tenant can come in and not only enjoy their stay, but just plug and play and have the convenience of just being able to move in straight away. As you can see, this one has its own garden, quite quirky. The back of the garden has its own storage shed. Each of our tenants gets their own storage space. When you're renting out rooms, storage is so important for tenants, and creating as much for them as possible really helps not only get a higher rent price, but have less void periods. This is the Ascot room. It is one of my favourites, but then I'm quite passionate about all the rooms, and I think because we share that passion with our investors, the quality of our finish is really good, and the tenants can really appreciate and enjoy that. So I'm Peter Licorinas at HMO on Steroids at one of our clients' HMOs. Hope you've enjoyed a quick tour. Please get in touch if you think we can help you create incredible investments with long-term capital, great returns and big yields, the sort of thing as an investor you should be looking for.